This is Rachel with Adventures in Pop-Ups, and this is a special episode. We have a girls camping trip, girls only. Blake did help me set up, but I did almost everything completely by myself for the first time. Whoop, whoop, whoop. We've got a girls camping badge that I and my sister-in-law are going to facilitate, and so we're going to spend a night out here at Lincoln's new Salem Campground and have s'mores and a campfire. We're going to practice how to put up a tent, all kinds of good stuff we got. So check it out, and we'll also let you know what we think of the campground. That was a lot of fun. We had a great time with our Mpact girls, teaching them how to start a campfire and set up a tent. Had a great time. We went and visited the Lincoln's new Salem and saw the cool log cabins and places that Lincoln actually lived, the real neighborhood, reconstructed mostly, but very cool. And so this campground has electric only, but you can fill your water tank, and there is a dump station. I liked it. It's a very small, there's only like 3 loops, but it was a good time. There were a lot of bugs. Oh my goodness. We just happened to have like 90s degree days every day that week. So like all the bugs woke up. We had a lot of mosquitoes and June bugs, but we still had fun, of course, and we had a great time. I'm sure we'll be back to this campground again sometime. Thanks for watching Adventures in Pop-Ups. I am Rachel. Stay tuned. We have lots of tips and tricks Hacks and mods, a remodel, campsite reviews. Thank you so much for your support. We'll be seeing you. Happy camping.